Part 5, part 5. I even read the title, but fuck it.
There are traditions among our people that run deep as stone. Our shields are as versatile as they are strong. Our swords are lethal, simple and ancient design. And a leader who does not lead the charge is no leader at all. We are called warlords.
Damn.
Name is earned.
My
We are
God.
the shield of our people. And we
shall
will
not
not
fall.
fall.
That's my next character. Wood, iron, and steel. There we go.
We would need ships. And I had been out of action for long enough.
That's what I like to hear. Give me 1 second. Let me fix it. Alright. Let's go. I fucking man. Why execution?
Odin's beard.
Invasor! Bellicum carnite!
These Blackstones have done a poor job of fortifying our defenses.
I was crazy.
I needed to get that gate open at last.
Headbutt for dead. Oh my gosh, it's brutal. Oh shit. We'll go to this way for the stuff. I know I'm blocking that. That's the wrong button. That nigga was banging out. Bad.
Horror thou me.
Everybody gets the same treatment.
Horror thou me. Horror thou me.
Them niggas are challenging as hell. I fucking missed. I'm blocking it for a reason. Shut up. What? Oh, you like it? No superstars. Oh shit. No superstars. Do what? I ain't scared of nothing. Please watch me do it. Fun. Oh, headshot. Let's move on.
I should get to the ballista.
I almost hit those lights.
No, no. Oh, oh, check on it. There's a time limit I just saw. Oh shit. Yeah, I hear the boss music. Oh yeah, I want my nigga. I want my dog though. I want my dog. The fuck out this sword. The fuck out of here. Oh wait. Out of here. Who next? Who next? Just y'all don't want to be next.
The Vikings had built up their settlement.
Those blacks.
Huzzah!
Quite a haul. Where did these come from?
Samurai ships, washing up all summer long, full of this chunk.
Samurai. Okay. The helmet.
The samurai!
They're weak. We outnumber them 10 to 1.
Oh shit.
And they've had a good year!
Ooh.
We're gonna need a fleet.
New op?
It was time for a raid.
Time for the raid. Woo! That's a fire ass episode, bro. Level 13, my story, yes sir. Up to 24. No cap, bro. I started the game today. Like, I'm playing this all in one day. I believe I started at somewhere like 1 o'clock. This will be fun editing. I'm not sure if I told y'all this before, but I got like most of my games played all at the same day. I just haven't edited for like years or a few months, so I gotta go do that. I just don't feel like editing sometimes. You feel me?
Taking us to the edge of extinction.
I bet it did.
But that raid reminded us of who we are.
Who you are?
We began with a fortress on the sea. But they knew we were coming.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh!
Ready your weapons!
To the gates! I welcome you all!
Let's go!
The gates of that fortress had worked for a century.
Love you, Japan. I gotta do
Let's
this.
get through them.
Warboard! Everyone to the gates! Charge!
When those gates moved, the whole plan changed.
Dude, fire in hell. Holy shit. Where the big guys at?
They're retreating!
Where's boxing?
They're giving ground! We have
I didn't know I can push the dude. Oh, grab him.
grapples here!
Where the fuck do you want to call him? Oh shit.
Go! Lead the climb!
Okay.
Need to get up that wall!
Let's go. Oh shit. I'm here with it.
Need to open that gate.
The enemy line is faltering!
Come here. Come here.
We have them on the run!
Have who? Yeah.
Where's the damn gate controls?
They are no match for us!
Found it. Oh shit. Fuck you, this supposed to be? What's up? Come here. Show me something there. Dumbass. Y'all top for y'all niggas. This is a bridge. Best believe gonna get pushed off of it. By me.
That chain should do it.
That'd be horrifying to see someone do that in real life.
All we needed to do now was push them back.
lines in the road. What's up? Oh, there's a fight for him. Muscle Man.
The battle was won. Only their commander remained.
Where did you come from? Let's go.
The fort's commander was Fuji.
That's him right there. Oh, he cold as hell. Cold as hell. Come here, nigga. Oh shit.
もはや兵もおらぬ。我が命もほどなく尽きよう。門を開いたのは貴様だ。その命であがれ。
Show me something, boy.
Fight!
Oh shit. Yeah, okay. What's up? The hell? This is a fight! Holy shit! Oh, he mad. I'm mad too! Yo, this is a bang out for her! Hold on! What's up? Shit. Boy, fuck healing right now. What's up? I ain't even gonna heal. Who the biggest dog?
That day reminded
Who the biggest dog?
Viking fury could do. The great raid.
Who the biggest bird?
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
And it had begun.
Yo, we are banging out. Woo! That was a fire ass boss fight, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit was fucking fun. Hey, but that's it for this video, bro. I believe that was mission 2.6. Oh no, it's 2.4. Whatever. Y'all